In this video, we are going to start learning about that how you are going to design the experience section on your LinkedIn profile. This is the experience section on your LinkedIn profile, and now how you are going to add this experience into your profile. If it is not visible, then you can click on the add profile section and you can add the experience section. Like I have already added in this experience section in my profile, then it is not visible here. But if your experience section is not visible on your main profile, you can add it here. Also, you can add a career break into your profile, like if you have lost your job due to this recession or due to COVID-19 or due to any other thing, you can add a career break also. So this is really impressive. Your experience section, like you can add your full-time job, your contractual job, your temporary job, also your internships, also your freelance work into this experience section. That all holds under the umbrella of experience section. Now how you are going to add, you need to click on this pencil sign and you need to click on this add button and you can add a position or add a career break. Now first of all, how you are going to add in a position. Now, first of all, you need to add a title of that position, and along with that, you need to add employment type like full time, part time, self employed, your freelance work, you are a seasonal job, like whatever it is. You can learn about the different employment types here. You can the company name must be matching to the company name that is present on LinkedIn, because and you need to connect the company this like every experience with the company that where you were serving. For example, if you are into freelancing then you are doing work on the Fiverr and Upwork, then you can also add Fiverr and Upwork as company name. Also freelance marketplace, any other freelance marketplace name. You are doing remote jobs and you need to add that company name. So if you are a self-employed and own agency, then first of all you need to create your own company page on LinkedIn. It can be created free of cost, and you need to add a logo to that so that it can be visible here like this official. Now you need to add a location where you are currently working, and also if you are currently working on this, so click on this, or you have already finished that role, then it also have an end date. You need to add a description. 2000 characters are allowed here. You need to add all the descriptions, and you need to add skills. And also you need to add media, like you can add link to external documents, you can photos, sites, different videos, link to websites, presentations. You can add all these PDFs, you can add these experience section, and you must need to add these things. LinkedIn now recommends that you need to add top 5 skills into the skills section, so you can also add the skills in this section also, like what are the different skills required by this specific type of job. So you need to add these things. Now first of all, you also need to click on this, like if you want to notify your network about this profile changes, like your new job, your work anniversaries, then you can click on this on or off. It depends upon your like what you want to do. But I would recommend, if you are just starting on LinkedIn, then click on this on, put this on. And if there is any profile change, like you have a change, your job change, then it network will be notified. And also you can have work anniversaries also. So these updates actually take up 2 hours on LinkedIn. So I would recommend for the starters that you need to, like if you are just building your profile on LinkedIn, then you need to add these things, like keep this notification to the network on, because LinkedIn algorithm is so good in this that it just boosts your search post to many people, and many people are get notified of like you have a change of job or you have work anniversary and any other. So you need to do you need to on. Now you can actually reorder these experiences depending upon uh, which one you want to be like on the top. Like if I reorder this, then like co-founder, tribe, and self-employed, we also added page to it. We have company page also, can reorder this. Now what are the different things that you need to add into the experience section description? Now first of all, you need to add focus on adding achievements, the numbers. You need to play the numbers game, and you need to achievement, because your clients, your the decision makers, the recruiters are not interested in what are the different responsibilities that you have, but they are only and only interested in what are the different type of like achievements that you made while doing those having those job responsibilities. So you need to play the numbers game, and you need to add numbers, you need to add achievements and number based achievements into your experience section. Like you can see it here, like we have this thing: 400 plus students enrolled in our masterclass, 200 plus 5-star reviews. And also along with that, you need to add, you can make it more readable by spacing it, like by adding white spaces into the experience section. You can make it more beautiful and more readable by adding the fancy text. Like I told you, from here you can generate that fancy text in the previous videos in the about section. And you need also need to add the different images and pictures and videos, like this is a video review into each experience section. It actually aids to the experience section. It actually makes it more authentic. It actually aid an authenticity to your experience section. The same thing that like I designed this manager digitalization. I used all the action verbs: successfully launched, successfully executed, managed, and all. There are, you will see that there are numbers here. There are different projects that I, there is a very good amount of white spacing in each of these things. So I have not mentioned a lot of responsibilities, but I have mentioned what I completed, what I achieved while doing this job as a manager digitalization manager, assistant business manager, and from when to when, and the location and different areas I worked on, the different projects that I started. So you need to design your such a way that it actually details each and everything related to each of your experience. And also it also need to have numbers in, like it shows your achievements in that position. This is how you are going to design your experience section. Now like along with that, if you are going to add details into your experience section, so I would definitely recommend that you can add 2000 characters, and you need to add all details into your section. But if it becomes messy for you, that I would recommend it at least each of your experience, like you have 10 different experiences throughout your career of 15 to 20 years, then you can add a description of 6 to 8 lines in each experience section. Like it would basically be up to 500 words, and these all should have numbers and the achievements. So this is how you are going to design your experience section. Like I told you that for the freelancers, if you are working on different freelance platforms, you can add freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork is their companies. This is definitely recommended. But one thing that is not recommended, if you are working as a freelancer or self-employed on LinkedIn, providing those services, that do not add LinkedIn as your company, your profile is going to be banned. So this is how you are going to design your experience section. Now, also I have few of the examples for you. This is the experience section of Maria Malik has designed it really beautiful as a YouTuber, and how she doing with this Speak with Confidence Academy and Stanford University. And you can look at this assisted aid principles and insured grade grant proposals and different, also project manager and different other things. So you need to detail each, and like you can add like this one also. This is the experience section of Dave Hassan. He has over 9 million followers on LinkedIn, and he's Pakistani. And yeah, you can also design this like this, like managed and consulted and provided, adding all those action verbs along with pictures and images and videos and links. And so you also need to design it like this one. Also, this is also a really good experience designed by one of our student, Amina Shabir, and she's really well. Studio 360 art production, and she's a co-founder, and she had detailed and everything, got 5-star from all the projects. And he has also added different pictures. And like this, I told you, you can add photo editor and graphic designer at Fiverr. She worked there for 8 years, and so you can also add. Now, this is the problem that I told you, that if you are going to, and without aiding the company or link to the company, then it would appear like this, and it's not looking a professional. And you can add all your experience, but it must be having description like this one. This is really very well designed. The same is from the Humma, and she also designed this experience section. She's a health and medical copywriter, and she also designed experience. graphics, each and everything with the images shared it Fiverr and Upwork. So this is the way that you need to design your experience section. Now in the next video, we are going to talk about how you are going to creation and the licensing your profile and what you need to do with each of these sections.